my channel. Happy New Year. It is the first week of 2018 and this is my first content of 2018, not just video. I haven't taken any pictures, I haven't done anything work related this 2018, but I decided to do a first video, and in this video I will be doing a 20 random facts about me, and I'll be telling you guys random things you need to know. I know it's a bit late because I've had this YouTube page for a while, and by now I should have a random fact about me tag on my page already, but I have done a lot of get to know me tag and all that, but I end up not uploading them because I don't know why. Probably something was weird in the video or it wasn't perfect enough. But I will be filming a random facts about me tag. So if you would like to get to know me more, if you would like to get to know random facts about me, keep on watching. My name is Hafsa Mohammed, pronounced as Hafsa. It's not Hafsa, it is not Hafsat, it is Hafsa. People that don't know how to spell my name, I have never met somebody that has spelled my name right on the first take. Like, it has never happened before. They either add a T, or they don't even know how to spell it, or they just assume that it's spelled with like half SOHAFFSO or they don't even put H at the beginning. But my name is Hafsa with H, and my surname is Mohammed. I do not have a middle name. I only have two names. Normal people have middle names, but I don't have middle names. The parent didn't give me middle name, so I have just two names. I'm 24. I will be 25 in July. Yes, I am old. I don't look old, but I am old. I will be 25 in July. My date of birth is 29th of July. Yeah, so that makes me 25 in July. I'm not looking forward to being 25 in July. I am 5'4" in height. I am very short. I think I am very, very short, but I feel like I'm the same age as people my age, or the same height as a lot of people I know these days. I heard that 5'5" is the average, but 5'4" is short. Anyway, I wear prescription glasses, as you guys can see. I hate to wear jewelries. I wear earrings. It doesn't count. I hate wearing chains. I never ever wear a bracelet or a wristwatch. I can't even keep a wristwatch. It doesn't even work for me. I don't like to wear it. I hate wearing chains. God, it's just no. I hate wearing chains. I never wear chains. The most I can do is earrings, and that's because I cover my hair most of the time, so I feel like it just brings out my face more. But when it comes to wristwatch, bracelets, chain, I would never wear it. Another fact about me is I have a birthmark on my neck. I don't know if you guys can see it, or if I already covered it. It's a patch, or it looks like, oh yeah, we didn't blend your makeup real good, but it's not a makeup. I have like a birthmark in the middle of my neck. My favorite movie is Wolf of Wall Street. I love Leonardo DiCaprio so much. He's my favorite actor, and I was so stoked when he won the Oscars. Happy he won the Oscar. I love Leonardo DiCaprio. I love Wolf of Wall Street. I talk really fast. If you guys might have noticed in my other videos, and even in this video, I talk really fast. So I twist my tongue most of the time because I talk fast, and I feel like people around me get used to it. But if you don't know me, just meet me for the first time, I tend to just rush out my words and just talk fast. I am a graduate of University of Lagos. I've graduated for like 4 years. Yeah, I think 4 years. I graduated in 2014, end of 2014, beginning of 2015. I did my graduation in 2015, so that's 15, 16, 17. Yeah, going on 4 years now. I studied human resource, in that's industrial relations and personal management. So it's basically human resource in other schools. And no, I have never worked with human resource. I don't like human resource. You know, when you have to go to school and then you just get any course you get, so you can just enter school. So that's what happened. So I didn't have intention of actually start working with it. I might in the future, I don't know. But yeah, I studied human resource. One of my favorite things to do will be traveling with my friends. I feel like I tend to do a lot of things with my friends. So traveling has to be one of my best things to do with them because we're all going to somewhere new, that somewhere we don't know before. So is everybody's reaction to the places tends to be different. But I just like to see how everybody reacts to somewhere, and it's usually nice because it's really fun, and my friends are crazy, so it is fun most of the time, especially going somewhere where we don't know and where we have to discover things. It is so much fun. It's my best thing to do. I have a fear of height. I am so scared of anything that has to do with me looking down from up, or I don't know. I just That's why I'm so scared of rides and all that. So I have that phobia. Talent I wish I had would be dancing. I love to watch dance videos in my spare time. I love to watch dance videos. It amazes me how someone can move their body to a beat so quickly and so good. I don't know. I wish I could dance. Really. I wish I could dance to the beat. Like hip hop dance, not ballet or anything. Hip hop. Like the whole crank, break your body, all that. I wish I could do that. Really, that's one talent. And maybe sing, but I don't mind singing because I don't have to. I feel like even if I knew how to sing, I probably wouldn't take it seriously or want to be a musician or something. But dancing, I'll probably be a dancer. I don't exercise. I don't exercise. The most I do is play tennis and maybe yoga sometimes. Maybe yoga 1 month on, 2 months off, 1 month on, 6 months off. But I just started playing tennis and I really, really love it, but I get tired of playing it. I feel like I love to do exercises, but the process just gets me tired, gets me stressed. So I do not exercise. My new resolution is to start exercising more. Really, I need to exercise more. And I need to eat more, and I need to eat more greens. I do panic a lot. One of the my bad I don't know if it's a bad habit or weird habit. I don't know. I start to panic before something actually happens. So if I'm thinking, oh, something is going to happen in like 10 days, I already start panicking from now. I don't know if there are a lot of people that do that, but I do that. I panic a lot. I think that's my job to panic, my job to worry, like worry for everybody, panic for everybody. I don't know why. I have to stop. I'm learning to stop, but yeah. I own a brand called Elora Collection. It is a modest fashion brand for Muslim women, and not Muslim women only, like women that like to dress more covered and all. We sell clothes, fashionable clothes, and scarves. So yeah, I'm a baby entrepreneur. So the one country I would love to travel to will be Morocco. I love Morocco so much. I don't know why nobody wants to go with me because I don't know. I don't have anybody that wants to go with me, and I cannot go alone. So I've been looking for someone to go to Morocco with me. I really want to visit Morocco this year, before the end of this year, inshallah. So I want to go to the Chefchaouen. I don't know how if that's how to pronounce it, but the blue city that has like all blue buildings and all that. So I will probably go to Morocco this year, and I also plan on traveling more this year. I love airports, like as much as like it might be rowdy and all, and then you get tired of it. I love just passing through airports and just going place. My favorite color will be dusty pink. I have come to accept the fact that I like pink. Everything to wear will be jeans and top and a t-shirt and my sneakers with a bag, with a crossbody bag, and I'm good to go. I literally wear that every day. I am a notepad collector. I collect notes, I collect diaries, I collect notepads, I collect books, I collect anything that looks like this. I collect them. I have a whole bunch of notes, and I love to write instead of typing. I rather write down notes instead of typing. The favorite app to use will be Pinterest. As much as I like Instagram, and I'm always on Instagram, but I love Pinterest because you can find anything. The photography on Pinterest is amazing. I love Pinterest. The only time I go on Instagram is just to check my page and see like my progress and all, and maybe reply messages. I never go to look at people's page, but I can spend like almost 3 hours being on Pinterest at like a goal. So that's how much I love Pinterest. I'm not a picky eater. I can eat anything, but I will never eat corn. I would never eat corn. They try to make me eat corns, but I would never, ever, ever eat corn. It gives me headache. The smell even gives me headache. I wonder how people eat it. Like my friends will see it roasting on the road. I literally stop to buy it, and then they'll bring it to the car. Just the smell in the car just makes me sick. I don't know how people eat corn. I don't know how people do it, but I would never. I would eat anything you give me in the world. Corn, never, ever, ever. I'll never eat corn. So one last fact about me is I do not know how to tie my shoelaces for the life of me. I don't know how people make their shoelace stay put. It doesn't ever work for me. When I'm that friend that once we step out of the house, you already see my shoelace just flying around. I probably will just trip on it. I do not know how to tie it and make it stay put. I just tie whatever I like. My sister always stops me on the road to help me retie my shoelaces, but she's no longer here, so I just go about with messy shoelaces. I don't know how to do it. I have watched videos. I have actually watched the videos on how to tie like a correct shoelace, but I cannot do it. So I don't. I've given up really on how to tie them. That is all for the random facts about me video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something new about me. And also, I have decided to start uploading videos once every week. Yeah, so help me God. I said start uploading videos once every week and try to be more consistent and take my YouTube more seriously. I know I said this last year and it probably won't work, but I hope it works. So I will upload more videos on makeup and probably like gets ready with me and all that. So I hope you guys are having an amazing start to a new year, and I hope you have an amazing rest of the year. Do not forget to subscribe and like and leave a comment and let me know what you think about the video and what you would like to see. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Never gonna slow down. Never gonna slow